Welcome to Cardanit Tutorials. In this video, we'll be looking at how you can use the project version feature to track the changes you and your collaborators make to a project over time. When you're collaborating with others, it's best practice to save versions along the way so that there's a history of the milestones in the life cycle of the project. To access project history, in the panel menu, click History. Here, you can see the list of past versions of the project and access commands in the menu. To save the current version of the project, click Save Version and give the project a name and a description, then click Save. You can also edit the name and description of a version. Click the pen icon and make your edits, then save. The Explore option lets you examine a specific version and all its diagrams. You can restore or delete the version or create a project based on the version. If the project isn't progressing in the direction you want, you can restore an earlier version of the project and get back on track. Open the menu and click Restore. If you want to save the current status of the project as a version, remember to select the checkbox, then click Restore again. If you need to, you can always delete the version. If a project is worth exploring further, you can create a new project based on a specific version. Click Create Project, give it a name, then click Create. And that's it! Now you know how to manage and keep track of your project versions. Why not try it for yourself? If you haven't already signed up to Cardanit, click the link in the description and get started now.